So in previous video, I have shown you that I have received so many packets. Starting with this one, let's see what is here. Oh, superb. Okay, awesome. Okay, so here are so many things. First thing first, these are for my new refrigerator liners, and I would like to see the quality of this. And you know what? It is pretty much good because it is wavy on the one side and the other side is smooth plain. So it can stick in your glass shelf for the freezer or refrigerator, and it won't move when you move your stuffs. So I'm happy with that. All 5 points goes to this item. Perfect. Now next is, I cannot open it to show you guys, but definitely what I can do, that once I add to in my new house, I can show you how it looks with a new lock, with a new door. You can see it has so many things. Lock and unlock, add, delete, access code. You can query the unlocking record, send one-time key or passcode to others because you can use it through your phone Wi-Fi. And I love this one because it is not only that you can open the door from your phone, but you can also use your fingerprints for that. So boom, 10 on 10 at this moment. But let me add this to my door and then I will make another video. Awesome. Let's see the other item. Yay! It is super heavy, and you can see I have a cut on my hand and I cannot able to get this one. So I want to show you guys, it is corner shelf floor lamp, and you know I am going with some good ideas and color combination and themes for my house. So it is going to be like this, a corner lamp. It has a lamp on the top, and then I will get 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. I have so many big hopes with this one, so let's see what's going to be happening. And the last but not the least is, look at it, nice clips for my daughter. And you know what, I got this only $1.47. I will add all the links in description, or you can comment and I'll add all the information for you guys. Stay tuned with me to see the other boxes. Bye bye.